At Expedia, we do our best to make your travel experience as smooth as possible from start to finish. During the flight booking process, it is possible to select your seat preference, aisle or window, on the traveler information page. However, airlines may or may not honor these requests, and we recommend that you request your seat on the airline's website. You can use Expedia.com to navigate to the airline's website to change your seat. Navigate to www.expedia.com. Click on the My Trips link in the upper right corner. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to sign in to your Expedia account, or type in your email address and itinerary number to find your booking. Your itinerary number will be in your confirmation email. Make sure the Upcoming button is selected at the top of your screen. Click on the itinerary you would like to choose your seats for. Then click Manage Reservation and Update Flight Preferences. This option may not be available for all itineraries. If you don't see this option on your itinerary, we recommend navigating to the airline's webpage. Update Flight Preferences will take you to your specific airline's website, where you can change your seat. Please note, each airline's website has its own process for changing seats. If you need help with that process, contact your airline's customer service. Otherwise, for help with your Expedia booking, contact us 1-866-310-5768 or from abroad 1-404-728-8787.